There we go. I'm going for a rip.
Are you ready?
What up everyone, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to another video. And today I'm freaking so happy, I'm so excited. We're finally picking up the HELLCAT. Last video I was telling you guys all about what was going on with it. We put new plugs in it, we got a new tune, and I guess she's ready to rip. My buddy Jake just called me from the truck shop, said to come grab it. And also he just took delivery of a new, oh, I think my buddy's pulling me up, that's bringing me to go pick it up. Oh, here he comes. You won't believe what he's in right now. Whoa! Yo, what up? Damn, son. This thing's wild. I'm excited. This thing's crazy, dude. Pop the trunk for us. Let's see what you got under the hood. Jeez. It's rolling. This thing's legit, dude. This thing's vintage. This is as vintage as it gets.
Yeah, it's 1973.
Jeez. It runs good, too.
It's fast as shit. 200 horsepower.
Jeez.
200 horsepower, 1,700 pounds.
We're having some fun in this thing.
Oh, yeah.
Alright guys, so we're hopping in the Beetle and we are heading to pick up the HELLCAT. And who knows where this day's gonna take us, but you know, things are looking up. Maybe we'll take the bikes out later. Drop a comment. Should we take the bikes out later? We should always take the bikes out later. Got my water and we out. Vintage, baby. Yo, punch buggy. Dude, everywhere we look, people love this thing.
People almost crashed just trying to give me a thumbs up.
They love it, they're smiling.
We're out.
Where else would we stop to get food other than yours truly, Chipotle? We are not sponsored by Chipotle, but you know, one day if we play our cards right, I might be.
David.
Yo, get the door, bro. Get the door. They didn't even see. Dude, stand on your X. Don't get close to me. So I'm gonna teach y'all something about Chipotle. Gotta get the double wrap burrito, and it's just huge and it's free. So, yo, dude, don't be putting soda in the water cup. Come on, dude. Some people, dude, just take advantage, and it's really ridiculous. We're on quarantine, so we're not allowed to eat inside. So I got my burrito heating up out front. This thing is fat, dude. When I tell you this double layer burrito is the move, where could you spend like $9 and get something this heavy? You could knock someone out with this. If I hit you with this right now, you'd be knocked out. Yo, can I connect to Bluetooth?
Yeah, bro. Go ahead.
All right, we have officially arrived.
We get none of this on video.
What? You can't get this on video?
No.
This is secret. We need that in my car.
No, he was just talking about that.
I'm gonna mount.
What up, dude?
What up, dude?
So we pulled up on them, and they got this track hawk they're working on. Got the whole blower pulled off. I think they're doing full ported snout, ported blower, nitrous, wrap. This thing's pimped out. See, these are all the things I would like to do, but you gotta give it some time. I like the color, but I don't know.
It's simple.
It's just simple, yeah. I want something crazy. I need some wrap ideas though. If you guys have any wrap ideas, drop them down below because I need something insane, like off the chain crazy. There we go. I'm going for a rip. You want to hop in the back? Whoa! We're back, baby. We're back. We are back. No check engine lights, cold AC, and a fresh tune, and fresh spark plugs, and fresh oil, and fresh coolant. So if there's anything else that we need to make fresh, drop a comment, but I think we might be officially ready to rip. He just got the 2020 Daytona widebody, and I think we're gonna go for a rip in that too and check that thing out. All right, boys, we're gonna let her warm up a little bit before we take off. Let's check out what mode we're in. All right, so we're in street mode. Paddle shifters on, all street. So pretty much full blown, blow your panties off right now.
Still cold.
Yeah, we're in the blow your panties off mode right now. Blow your girl's panties off. I'm so hyped to be back in this. Like, you don't understand, bro. I've been dreaming about this thing. Like, I'll go to bed thinking about it.
Oh, let's head to Mexico.
Oh, we're gonna go to Mexico? All right. Holy dude, it wasn't even like, that was me being easy on it.
That was probably quarter throttle.
Quarter throttle, just rolling into it.
Whipping this Yui.
We are back. This thing's insane, dude.
Burn out, bro.
Gosh, dude. It feels good to be back in this thing. What up? She's got a little crackle to her now too. I feel like we got a little more
That tune made it even.
yeah, a little more of a burbly tune. Give her a little juice. Yeah. All right, guys, so I'm about to pay up and head out of here. But before we leave, check out this Daytona right here. This is, I think, 1 of 500. I'm not exactly sure. I'm gonna see if we can go for a ride in it. But for now, check this thing out. Yo, is that a V6? You did that wide body yourself? Alright guys, that's gonna be a wrap for this video. I hope you all enjoyed, and we finally got the old girl back. And we got a lot planned. I got mods on the way. Stay tuned for that. Follow me on Instagram if you want to get updates on all this stuff I'm doing on all the mods, on the cars, and all the cool stuff that we got going on. But that's going to be a wrap. And what better way to end the video than by doing a